Hi friends, welcome back to Two Fabulous Hands. Last week I received a request to make independent videos of each sections. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to make short videos of each stitches that we learned last week, plus a video on how to make a slip stitch and another video on how to make a triple crochet. So if you're ready, grab your yarn and hook and let's begin. Okay, so this very first video would be on how to make a slip knot. So for today's lesson, I'm using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm also using 4 medium weighted yarn. Okay, so we will start with a slip knot. So like we learned from our last week lesson, so you can either place the yarn on the table to make a slip knot. So again, you place the yarn like so. So again, this is your short tail. So right here is your short tail, and this long tail that is connected to the yarn is called the working yarn. So the short tail should be placed like right here, like on the table, like so, and then bring this long tail, cross it like so, and then you will pick up this loop like so. Using your index finger and your thumb, put it through that loop and then grab the working yarn and then pull the working yarn and the short tail. And this is how you make a slip knot. It's very easy. So we're going to do that one more time. So this time we're going to try it on our fingers. So using your index finger and your middle finger, place the yarn like so, and then bring that working yarn, cross it, so it will be like an X on your fingers. Pull this loop off your fingers, and then bring the working tail in the middle like so. Pull the working tail out through that loop while dragging the short tail. And this is how you make a slip knot. So if you want it snug on your hook, all you need to do is just pull on the long tail working yarn. Don't make it too tight so that you're still able to place your chains on it. Okay, so this again is how you make a slip knot. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment. Bye.